Mapecem Pronto is a pre-blended, quick-setting engineered screed. Prepare the substrate using a clean bucket of water and a sponge to remove any dirt and dust. To make the bonding slurry, add 1 part of Mapecem powder to 1 part of Planicrete SP liquid in a bucket and mix until a smooth yogurt consistency. To make the screed, add the correct amount of water as instructed to achieve a consistency that will clump. As Mapecem Pronto is factory blended, the ratios are always consistent and there are never issues of too much sand or cement. Apply the slurry to the substrate, then pour Mapecem Pronto onto the slurry while it's still fresh and spread with a trowel. Screed rails are sometimes preferred, but not compulsory. Ensure the Mapecem Pronto screed is well compacted and finished with a timber float. And just like that, you have a perfect engineered screed installation. Mapei, building the future.